guys! Good evening! I thought I'd just show you guys quickly kung anong iniinom ko sa gabi, yung my nighttime routine ko na iniinom. So yeah, so ito siya. Yung pomegranate detox. Ito yung flavor niya. Meron na siyang glutathione and collagen. And then, pero nilalagyan ko pa rin ng pure collagen ko on top. Pero kung ganito lang naman yung iniinom ko, I just add 1 teaspoon lang. Pero sa morning, when I drink coffee or any hot drink, I add 2 teaspoon kasi yung coffee na iniinom ko walang collagen. So yeah, ito siya. So minix ko na siya pala dito guys. Ito yung itsura niya. So with water lang, and then pero ako nilalagyan ko siya ng ice kasi gusto ko yung malamig na malamig. And it helps me sleep really well sa nighttime, which I love. And then, yeah. So, how's everybody's day today? So, yung akin pala, today, obviously, Sunday, sports day ng mga bata. So, we were, nasa field kami pretty much all day. It was a nice day today. It was really sunny and warm. So, finally, naka-short ako for the first time in winter. And same with Chris din, naka-short din siya. So yeah, the boys played really well today. Isaac won their game. Si Braydon, they've lost. Pero that's okay. They played really well naman against the other team. So, nakaka-proud pa din, diba? So yeah, so hopefully everyone had a nice day. So ito, iniinom ko lang siya. So by the way, itong drinks ko guys, detox siya. So since nag-lost weight ako last time, this pretty much my parang maintenance ko if ever I want to eat a lot that day. Sa gabi iniinom ko siya, and then in the morning it helps me flush out. Alam niyo na, and so yun yung parang maintenance ko na I don't put on weight pretty much to keep it to keep my weight the same. So yun yung aking parang maintenance, my friendly neighborhood ko ito. At saka yung collagen. So yeah, ito sila. So yung isang flavor ko nito, meron din akong Berry Glow. Yung pinakita ko sa isang previous video ko dyan. Berry Glow siya. Ito naman pomegranate flavor. So first time ko actually tonight to try it. Ito yung kulay niya. Masarap siya. Para ka lang umiinom ng juice. So ito yung iniinom ko na before I go to bed to help me sleep well. So yeah, I thought I'd just quickly show you guys kung anong iniinom ko sa nighttime. And yeah, hopefully everybody had a good day. Have a good night everybody. Mwah. Bye!